Positive and negative space. Materials: black paper, white paper, pencil, scissors to use with a grown-up's help, glue stick. Optional materials: stencil, cookie cutter, printout of tree and snowman. To make your positive and negative space winter scene, start with a black piece of paper and a white piece of paper half the size of the black paper. On the white piece of paper, draw the outline or silhouette of a tree and snowman. You can use a stencil, cookie cutter, or printout to help you draw the tree and snowman if needed. Carefully cut the tree and snowman out. Make sure to cut them out in one piece. Positive space is the subject or areas of interest in an artwork. Negative space is the area around the subject. The cutout tree and snowman are the positive space. The leftover white paper is the negative space. Arrange the negative space white paper on half of the black paper. Place the positive space tree and snowman opposite the negative space on the black paper. Glue all the pieces down. Now you have a positive and negative space winter scene. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #Appleton Museum at Home.